Question number 6, taken from October 2014, HSC Advanced Level Maths, P3. It is given that the integral of ln 2x dx is equal to 1 with limits 1 to a, where a is greater than 1. Show that a is equal to half the exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over a, where exponential of x denotes e to the power of x. And for the second part, use the iterative formula. A is equal to half exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over a to determine the value of a correct to 2 decimal places. Give the result of each iteration to 4 decimal places. Question in all carries 9 marks. Okay. Right, for the first part, we have the integral of ln 2x dx is equal to 1 where a is greater than 1. So, pardon me for my handwriting here. How are we going to do this? This is like 1 times ln 2x, so we're going to use integration by parts. And what is integration by parts? It is integration of u dv is equal to uv minus integration of v du. So over here, and if we use late, you will see that the natural logarithms comes first. Therefore we're going to say x is equal to ln 2x and then dv is going to be 1. Integral of dv is going to be v, which is x. Differentiate ln 2x. What do you get? Sorry, this is u. Alright? Therefore we're going to say du. Du is equal to 1 over x. Right. So just replace that in the formula there. What do we have then? Is that integration of ln 2x dx with limits 1 to a is going to be uv. This is u, which is ln 2x times v, which is x. Okay, uv. Therefore x times ln 2x, alright, minus the integral of v du. V is x, and then u is 1 upon x. So x times 1 upon x is 1, so integration of 1, and that's going to give us x ln 2x minus integral of 1 is going to be x, and you put the limits 1a, so we have 1a. Substitute the limits into this, you're going to end up with a ln 2a minus a. Okay, all of that minus 1, replace x by 1. 1 times ln 2 is ln 2, why ln 2? Because this is 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, this is 1. 1 times ln 2 minus x, x is 1 again. And all of that is going to equal to what? We are told it is equal to 1, therefore we're going to say 1. And therefore you have a times ln 2a minus a minus ln 2, okay, minus times minus becomes plus 1, and all of that is going to be 1. So the 1 goes out, or you can factorize a if you wish. So you can put a outside and you have ln 2a minus 1. The minus ln 2 goes in on the other side, becomes ln 2. So from here we can say that ln 2a minus 1 is equal to ln 2. This a is multiplied, your son on the other side becomes divide. Alright, and therefore what do we have? Ln 2a minus is equal to ln 2 over a, send the minus 1 there, becomes plus 1. This is exactly as ln 2a is equal to 1 plus all this, 1 plus ln 2 over a. And if you take out the natural logarithms, you're going to end up with 2a is equal to the exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over a, and take a as exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over a all divided by 2. This is a is equal to half of the exponential to the power of this, which is 1 plus ln 2 over a, and this has been shown. Here we are, first part of the question. Now for the second part, a little bit, okay, so we have used the iterative formula. So what is the iterative formula? We have the iterative formula in the question, and this is given as a is equal to half the exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over a. Now what will be the first value of the a? We are further told that a is greater than 1, so the value we can think after 1 is 2. Therefore let us say when a is equal to, initial value of a is going to be 2. So what are we going to end up with? A is going to be half the exponential of 1 plus ln 2 over 2. And if you do that on a calculator, you're going to end up with 1.9221. And then again, the second iteration, we are told to give that to 4 decimal places. Here we are. So half exponential of 1 plus ln, this time it's not 2 but it's 1.9221 divided by 2. Do that in the calculator and you see you're going to get 1.9493. And then a is equal to, this is, let's say, a1, a2, a3, you're going to go on like this. Okay, half the exponential of this time 1 plus ln 1.9493, 1.9493 divided by 2, and do that in the calculator again, you're going to end up with 1.9395. The fourth iteration, half exponential of 1 plus ln 1.9395 divided by 2, and your calculator will give you 1.4930. Now what do we observe? I think there's sufficient amount of iteration here, and it all is going to converge to, if I'm going to say a is equal to 2 decimal places, 1.94. Isn't it? Here we are, 2 decimal places. That's going to be the value of a. So 9 marks for you.